Hi guys, it's SweetTooth1967 bringing you a product description. Today we're looking at Versace box set. It's the Dylan Blue edition. So upwards and onwards, it comes in a really sturdy box, I must admit. It's got the spray and it's also got the, I believe it is the body shower gel. Okay, and that's 50 mils, so you won't have any problems taking that abroad. And I think this one is the same, which, if it is, yes, this is the 30 mils. So it's just the spray. So I'm gonna put a bit of that on now. Oh, smells gorgeous. As I say, it comes in a classic bottle design. Got the gold emblem on there. Very masculine. Smells gorgeous. And I mean, it's the first time I've ever had this. This was a gift set. Let's just back. And that smells just the same. In fact, smelling that smells as good as the aftershave itself. So I should put that back. Anyway, guys, that's just a quick look at the Versace Dylan Blue box set. If you see it out there, helps you make your mind up. Okay. Thanks, guys, for watching as always. Why not subscribe? Leave the comments in the comment section, and remember to tap that bell. See you later.